Hello children, welcome back to the English 2 session. As you all know, we are learning about helping verbs, and helping verbs are also called as to be verbs. Is it clear children? As you all know, in the previous session we have solved exercise B, and I had given you an exercise for homework. Today first let's solve the exercise which I had given for homework. You just check whether you have done it correctly or not. I will just explain the exercise. Okay. Here is the exercise children. Look at the picture and complete the sentences with am, is or are. This was the exercise given for your homework. I hope all have done the homework. Is it clear? Okay children, you open your notebook where you have done the homework and check whether you have done it correctly. Is it clear? Okay, the first sentence here, my friends dash playing in the park. Okay, now here a picture is given. Okay, you can observe the picture and complete the sentences. Now here my friends, here friends is plural. Okay, so for plural nouns we use the helping verb are. So we write here are. My friends are playing in the park. The second one, I dash sitting on the grass. As you know, with the pronoun I, we always use am. I am sitting on the grass. The third one, Sania and John dash playing with the ball. Okay, now Sania and John, these are plural now. Okay, so Sania and John are playing with the ball. Fourth one, Suman dash wearing a blue shirt. Now here Suman is singular noun. So for singular nouns we use the helping verb is. Suman is wearing a blue shirt. Fifth one, Nitin dash trying to catch Diya. Now Nitin here is singular noun. So Nitin is trying to catch Diya. Sixth one, I dash looking at Diya. Now with I, you know, we always use am. I am looking at Diya. Seventh one, Suman dash running to catch the ball. Now Suman, it is singular noun. So Suman is running to catch the ball. The eighth one, we dash happy. We is plural pronoun. So we are happy. Okay children, this was the exercise for your homework. Now today let's solve exercise C from our textbook. So children, now I want all of you to open your grammar textbook to page number 43. I hope all are ready. Okay, keep your finger on the book and repeat the question after me. Exercise C. Spot 4 differences between these two pictures. Here they have given you 2 pictures. Now they have told you to spot 4 differences between these 2 pictures. Complete these sentences with is or are and the correct naming words. Okay, naming words are nouns. So with the correct naming words, you have to use the correct naming word, and along with that you have to use the helping verbs is or are. Okay, let's start. In picture 1, Okay, see in this picture 1. The first one, the sun is smiling. Okay, now here they have done the first example for you. They have already solved. The sun is smiling. Sun is singular, that is why they have used the helping verb is. Second one, the dash dash hanging from the tree. See, you can see what is hanging from the tree here. It is the monkey. So, we write here monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. So, the monkey, now monkey is singular, so we use the helping verb is. The monkey is hanging from the tree. Next, the dash dash kicking a ball. Now you can see who is this kicking the ball? The boy. B-O-Y, boy. So the boy is singular. So we use the helping verb is. The boy is kicking a ball. Fourth one. Two dash dash in the sky. Okay, two. What are there in the sky? What are these? Clouds. Two clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. Now clouds is plural. There are two. So we use the helping verb are. Two clouds are in the sky. Is it clear? Now in picture 2, the first sentence, the dash dash sad. So in this picture you can see, in the first picture the sun was smiling, and in this picture the sun is sad. So the sun is singular, so is sad. We use the helping verb is for singulars. Second one, a dash dash sitting on the tree. Okay, now you can see what is sitting on the tree here. Here the monkey was hanging, but here what you can see? A bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Okay, so bird singular, so we use the helping verb is. A bird is sitting on the tree. Next, third one, the dash dash running. So here you can see who is running here? The boy. So the boy. Boy is singular, so we use the helping verb is. The boy is running. Next, fourth one, three dash dash in the sky. Three, what you can see here? Here in the first picture there were only two, but here there are three. Three clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. So plural, we use the helping verb are. Three clouds are in the sky. Is it clear, children? Okay, this is all for today. Is it clear? I hope you are clear with the concept. Today, children, I am going to send you one more exercise to solve for your homework, and I will also send the answers of that. First you solve the exercise and then you check the exercise with the answers. Is it clear? Okay, this is all for today, children. We are going to stop here and continue in the next session. Thank you, children.